dear students, now we'll see about fertilization and the events of fertilization will follow that. Fertilization means the process of male gamete, the process of union of male gamete with the female gamete is called fertilization. What is fertilization? It is a process of union of male gamete with the female gamete that is called fertilization. A number of events takes place before fertilization. These are all the changes, events takes place before fertilization in the style, in the stigma, in the ovule, in the embryo sac, etc. First one, germination of the pollen into a pollen tube on the surface of the stigma. In the stigma, as soon as the pollen grains reaches, the germination of the pollen grains started and that form pollen tube in the stigma. That is the first process. Second one, growth of the pollen tube in the style. The style is the stalk of the stigma. Through the style, pollen tube grow towards the ovule, that process. Then direction of the pollen tube into micropyle. What is micropyle? Opening of the ovule is called micropyle. The pollen tube, which is growing through the style, will be directed towards the micropyle of the ovule. That process is the third process. Fourth one, entry of the pollen tube into synergies. The pollen tube will enter into the synergies at the micropylar end. Towards the micropylar end, there are two synergies on either side of the egg. The pollen tube will be directed to enter into any one of the synergies. That is the entry of pollen tube into the synergies of the embryo sac. Next one, discharge of the male gamete. Discharge of the male gamete takes place as soon as the pollen tube enter into the synergies. Two male gametes will be discharged into the synergies of the embryo sac, and that is followed by syngamy and triple fusion. Syngamy is the union of male and female gamete. During the union of male and female gamete, there is a triple fusion takes place. Triple fusion means union of three nuclei, union of three set of chromosomes takes place. That is the triple fusion. One is the male nucleus, another two nuclei of the polar cell unite and form endosperm. That fusion is the triple fusion considered. Then the whole event from deposition of the pollen on the stigma and the entry of the pollen tube into the ovule is collectively called pollen pistil interaction. That collective process is the pollen pistil interaction. The events from pollen deposition on the stigma to the entry of the pollen tube into the ovule is called pollen pistil interaction. So these are all the events takes place, collectively called events of fertilization. Come to the pollen on the stigma. What are the changes takes place when the pollen reaches the stigma? A variety of pollen grains fall on the stigma. Only the pollen grains are reaching the receptive part of the stigma. Germination of the pollen grains starts. Only the receptive surface of the stigma receives the pollen grains. The other pollen grains will not be received by the stigma. If the pollen is compatible with the stigma, it germinates to form a tube, pollen tube. Otherwise, pollen germination will not take place, pollen tube will not be formed. So, the pollen and the stigma should be compatible with that. And the germination of the pollen takes place by two substances. One is the stigmatic fluid of the wet stigma and pellicle of the dry stigma. In some flower, wet stigma can be seen. The wet stigma will secrete a fluid that is called stigmatic fluid. The stigmatic fluid will stimulate the germination of the pollen grain into pollen tube. In some of the flowers, dry stigma may be there. The pellicle of the dry stigma. What is pellicle? The skin of the stigma, the surface of the stigma, the wall of the stigma, consider as the pellicle. Pellicle will stimulate the pollen grains to germinate. So these two substances may stimulate to germination of the pollen grains. The stigmatic fluid and pellicle will decide compatibility and incompatibility between the pollen and the stigma through a process called recognition, rejection, pollen reaction. And then the first visible change is the hydration. The first visible change in the pollen soon after it lands on the stigma is hydration. The pollen wall proteins are released from the surface. During the pollen germination, the entire content move into the pollen tube. The cytoplasmic content of the pollen tube will enter into the tip of the pollen tube, and after that a vacuole is occupied just behind it, which is cut off from the tip of the pollen tube by a substance called callose plug. What is callose plug? During germination, the entire content of the pollen tube move to the tip of the pollen tube. The remaining part is occupied by vacuole, and these two will be separated by means of a substance, will be cut off by a substance that is called callose plug. The callose plug is formed at the pollen tip to prevent the sperm cells to reach the tip. It plays an important role in fertilization. Callus is a plant polysaccharide. Finally, the extreme tip of the pollen tube appears hemispherical and transparent under microscope, that is called cap block. What is cap block? Cap block, the extreme tip of the pollen tube appears hemispherical and transparent under microscope. Such a hemispherical and transparent structure of the pollen tube is called cap block.